Good evening, my friends. Welcome to CopyTrade by Chaf. Today our 10th day when we start the CopyTrade by Bybit exchange together. As you know, we start the game with $100 investment, which is a game of May. It's not a financial advice. Please do your own research before investing or attending this game. But the game is more gains than a loss. This is the game I play in the cryptocurrency market so many years, and if you play on correct time and correct exchange, then you will be happy. Bybit is a very strong on copy trading, and the bull run is starting up. This is the good time for especially many longs and good copy trades, and if we control very well, we will be we will have a good success in 1 year, minimum 10x, which is possible. My expectation again. There is no guarantee, but this is my expectation. That's the reason I would like to show day by day what we are doing, what we are doing wrong, what we are doing fine. But every day we have to control the market, we have to control copy traders, and also we have to control our anxiety. We don't have to make panic, we have to be calm down. Okay, again, as usual, we will spend 15 minutes like in every day. We will use our Excel spreadsheet, which is below the description. Also, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like it. And if you'd like to play this game with me, you have a link below the description. You can subscribe Bybit, my referral, to get more bonuses. That's the reason. First, we will start up again with the market situation with Bitcoin value. Bitcoin value, I would like to show you in my screen that in this yellow area, that it starts to fall yesterday night. It's coming down. It come down to nearly 62,000, 61,800. Come down. Then suddenly support works and it goes up. Now 64,000 something. We will see the number just a second later, and we will enter this value to there. As you see, market goes down and little bounce back. I'm expecting, this is again my expectation, I just check and is experienced, and as I see that from the bottom Bollinger Band, always with the support bounce back, it directly go to middle Bollinger Band. Then there is a little bit correction come, then I expect it will go to 69,000, 70,000, and then of course I will expect it will come to 58,000. Because this correction has to be continue to keep survive a longer bull run, because if these are always safe for market, and it's useful. Only thing we have to do in copy trade, we have to control our copy traders. If they do the same way the market goes, if they go other way, if they make too risky with our capital, then we have to stop them. Anyhow, let's continue to find the Bitcoin value. As you see, it's 64,500 US dollar. Now we have to put this to our Excel sheet. Again, the time is almost the same. I'm checking again, 05. And this has to be corrected. This is 19. And what was the value? I have to say again, I don't want to make a mistake. It is 64,500. As you see, it's a big drop down. According to this, I have to expect really serious losses, something like maybe, yeah, $50, because it's dropped down slightly. And I don't know, let's check it out. What is the situation in our copy trade? Okay, yes, my friend, we come again closer. Look, it's 78.30. My expectation is much bigger. It of course goes down compared to yesterday, but still we are $29 lower than where it was. It's not, we are $100. Normally we start with $100. It's only $22 lower than our main capital. But we will analyze that. Let's first put this value to the Excel sheet. It is 77.80 and the loss is $5, and total loss according to this, $22, including our profit. But from 100, it's $22. Anyhow, we don't lose anything because it's not closed. We will see now what the copy traders do. This is very important. Every night we have to check this because this is the game. You play this game with a different higher capital, lower capital doesn't mean anything. This is I play because I would like to show you the correct way. And patience. This is the key. Okay. Yes. Now we come to our master center. Yeah, as you see, it was 72. Now it was 79. Let's see master trader. As you see, altered, which is the main copy trader, which is stable one. He has still open trades and still red. There's only one Gala, and still he continued to open 25x. Let's see if he lose positions yesterday till today. Till yesterday to today, he still open and close with very low profit. Second page still green. Third page still green, and fourth page still green. As you see, this trader doesn't lose any position. Just a small profit but close. Small profit but close. And he doesn't want to lose anything. And that's the reason when he returned these things, and then your profit will return back. Keeping calm. When you see this, you understand that he's doing correct way. He makes longs because we will see that we're expecting the market goes up and the long will come. It's very controlled. The second one, and another point, today I will show you both of them, that we need to check their analysis according to Bybit exchange. I will show you this today, first time in the third day. Again, please subscribe my channel. You will get more and more in confidence and patience. This is what I can recommend you, and I can give it to you. Of course, it's not financial, but just my game. CopyTrade, which is more riskier guy. You see only $8.79 balance left, 41.16, because this guy is, I feel this is so emotional guy. This is very emotional guy, not the logical. I feel that he doesn't have a patience. Maybe, I don't know, maybe we choose him incorrectly. Maybe he's not the correct guy in terms of short or corrections. But it's an investment, it's a game. And we have to protect and we have to be patient. It's possible. It's a life. When we check his history, also we see still green. Yeah, there's only one, still one. He still didn't close with the loss. This is a good thing. But there is something which I don't like, is the positions very long, and he insists of that. Okay, that's the reason we will keep. For now, what is the red signals? He used $41 and $8 available balance he can add and use, or he cannot use. He cannot open any. If on the other hand, another problem he has to face with, he opened cross. 8x is good, but it's open. In this scenario, CopyTrade, if he goes, if he doesn't fix, if the market doesn't help him, he makes us some loss. I see these possibilities, and I always say I will show you loss and the gains, but in the long run we will win, definitely. In the short run, of course, it will happen. Let's see what will happen, but it's not a good sign how he treated. Let's see the master trader. Yes, now I will check how is this traders situation according to Bybit, because Bybit see these traders in the very big picture. We will see the very small picture for us what he did, but the Bybit shows both of them or many of them. They see how many traders they make fail, loss, reactions, and daily basis. That's the reason I would like to check one by one. Let's start with CopyTrade. This is the Bybit, and that's CopyTraders area. You remember we choose 10 days ago from here. In 7 days, as you see, return of investments is 20% low now. As you see, it's when the correction starts, CopyTrade doesn't know how to react. This means that he's a trending. When the trend goes up, with the trend he start buying. It is possible because I choose it. because he's only 98 days trading in CopyTrade, 3 months, and this 3 months, the 1 month is fully uptrend, and the 2 months is slightly long, is higher than the shorts, but this means that he's not enough experienced. Another problem I see, there is a stability index in here. You see, I just turn around here with mouse. It was 4 when we choose it. He becomes 0 because he has lost a lot. Followers, $700 loss. You know why they have a loss? Because most of them close the position when they see a lot of reds. They accept the loss and they close the loss. And you see, this is his loss. He also make the loss, 5,000. This means he doesn't only make loss for CopyTrader, trade his followers. He also make loss for himself. Okay, these are not good signals. But we will see. And the maximum drawdown, which means in the negative area, each position is 22. It was, remember, 8 or 9 before. Let's see in the 90 days totally. It's still 22, but in 90 days, the game still in the behalf of CopyTrade, okay? And 76% win rate. In just the 7 days, if you look, it's 20%. That's the reason we need to keep calm, okay? Because 90 days ago, the market is not always trending. You see, this is not trending. It's up and down, steady, sideways. Now the market is upside down for a correction. Listen, we need to keep in calm. This market will go down and we know we go up. If he didn't make a bigger mistakes, he will come back with his history. But stability index shows that people lost their faith against him. This means he lost serious amount of money. He lost serious amount of faith from the followers. Only thing he can do is try to get more gains, and the people again bounce back and trust him. Okay, that's the reason he must change his way of market trading. But this is what he's decided. I'm just following and analyzing him. That's the reason. We will see. We will see what will happen. I should trade. Let's go back to altered. No, this is not the correct way. Let's see, master trader and altered. Yes, this is the altered, which is our main copy trader. He doesn't make too much mistakes compared to CopyTrade. Even though he's one of the best, he carries $251,000 altered, and $17,000 belongs to him. And still stability means the people are still trusting him. With 100 days, almost the same CopyTrade then, and 800 followers. He protects the followers because he doesn't lose a lot. Stable. But for these 7 days, because of the correction, as you see, his return of investments go to minus also. And he lost $1,300. He lost. And he protect the followers. This is the good trade. He protect the followers. How? Cut the position with a very little loss. Okay? And drawdown is to 14, which is CopyTrade is 20, 22, something like that. In 90 days, let's check it 90 days. How was he in 90 days? As you see, he has in 2nd of January, he has also very slight drop down. This means that there was a correction on the market. Then he starts picking up. And again, as you see, this is the big one, and this is the second one, and this is the third one. Sorry, second and third. This means if the market's returning back, then it will goes up. This means, my friend, it's a self-thinking. We choose 2 copy traders, and both of them is a trend copy traders because the trend is upwards and they are successful on upwards. And when the correction comes, correction is difficult because suddenly turn back and nobody knows if it's turn bounce back or not. Then they have difficulties. But this one, the altered one, is stable. Why stable? He protects the followers. This isn't when they protect the capital, then everyone stays with him. CopyTrade doesn't protect the capital very well, and that's the reason he's emotional. I easily understand. I will stay with him for not emotion. Even I will lose, I will stay, because I want to show you if it survives, if it go correct way, I will keep. But of course, in 15 days, every 15 days, I will decide every CopyTraders, even my other portfolios. If someone makes a totally incorrect way and insist of doing this, definitely I will cut even profit, even loss, and I will change the stable one or whatever I like, or high risk one. This is up to your decision. Again, all is my decision on my game, no financial advice, but if you control, then you control your money. Financial freedom is coming from your control. Anyhow, my friend, as far as what we did, we control our CopyTraders. We see what they did, what they cannot do. It's increasing, returning back to 100. I don't know if it's coming to 100 tomorrow. If not, if bounce back, return downside. But we know how to play. Okay? But CopyTrade is one of them. I have a yellow signal. I'm just start thinking when 15 days come, if he has not correct his way, I'm thinking to change with the gains or with the loss. Even the gains, if you insist of doing the wrong things, change it. Because again, another correction, he did the same mistake. Okay? That's the reason, don't insist emotionally. You see it, this is mistake, and you compare with the other one, he's doing correct one. That's your decision, this is my game. This is my game, my decision, your game, your decision, but you see what I did. My friends, thank you very much for spending 15 minutes again with me in the 10th day. This is the 10th day of the game. And the market is in a correction. Bitcoin is in the correction, a downside, which is very healthy for all of us. Don't be panic. Always keep steady. And don't forget, it's a winning game on the long run. Again, thank you very much spending 15 minutes. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like it. And if you'd like to play with this game with me with many bonuses on Bybit, you have find the link below. And you will find Excel sheet and a Word file, which you can download and see this game separately. Take care yourself. See you.